Are there any fees associated with using a prepaid card on Cash App?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether there are any fees associated with using a prepaid card on Cash App. If you're considering using a prepaid card on Cash App, this information is important for you to make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in.
Fees for adding funds.
When it comes to using a prepaid card on Cash App, you might be wondering if there are any fees involved in adding funds to your account. The good news is that Cash App does not charge any fees for adding funds using a prepaid card. Whether you're loading money onto your Cash App account from a prepaid card, debit card, or even a linked bank account, there are no additional charges imposed by Cash App.
Transaction fees.
Now, let's move on to transaction fees. When you use your prepaid card to make purchases with Cash App, there are no transaction fees. Cash App allows you to make payments and purchases without any additional charges, regardless of whether you're using a prepaid card, debit card, or your Cash App balance.
Cash withdrawal fees.
Another aspect to consider is the cost of withdrawing cash from your Cash App account using a prepaid card. Cash App does not charge any fees for withdrawing cash using a prepaid card. However, it's important to note that certain ATM operators or banks may have their own fees for ATM withdrawals. These fees are not determined by Cash App but by the respective ATM operator or bank. Therefore, it's advisable to check with your bank or ATM operator to understand if there are any charges specific to your prepaid card withdrawals.
Additional fees to be aware of.
While Cash App itself does not impose any fees for using a prepaid card, it's essential to be aware of other potential fees that may be associated with your prepaid card. These fees can vary depending on the provider of the prepaid card and may include activation fees, monthly maintenance fees, or ATM withdrawal fees imposed by the card issuer. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your prepaid card to understand if there are any fees specific to your card. That wraps up our discussion on whether there are any fees associated with using a prepaid card on Cash App. Remember that Cash App does not charge any fees for adding funds, making transactions, or withdrawing cash using a prepaid card. However, it's important to consider any fees that may be associated with your specific prepaid card, such as activation or monthly maintenance fees. If you have further questions or concerns, it's always a good idea to reach out to Cash App support or consult the terms and conditions of your prepaid card. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.